Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a brand new TikTok account, step by step. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon right down here. Next, tap the menu icon, those three little lines in the corner, and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and select Switch Account. Then click on Add Account. You can sign up using your phone number, email, Facebook, or Google account. If you already have another account, just tap Login. For this tutorial, I'm going to sign up using Google. Now, here's an important step. Enter your birthday. Make sure you're over 18. This unlocks features like direct messaging and the ability to go live on TikTok. After that, just follow the prompts to finish signing up. And that's it. You're all set to start your TikTok journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.